Hello everyone, this is Melissa the Stamp Doc, and today I'm here with your final installment of the A Little Bit Festive card class. So we are making 4 final cards. If you missed any of the other cards, they are on my YouTube channel and they are all linked together. So at the end of this video, I will link you to day 4 if you would like, so you can go back and watch them in reverse. This is one of our designer series papers that comes in the A Little Bit Festive card kit. So I've just cut that down to a card layer size, which is 4 inches by 5 1/4. And then I'm going to add this cute little drum die cut with some dimensionals. And below that, I've got this little gold die cut. And I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive on there. Put it right below it. And then I've got my sentiment on dimensionals, which says Holiday Wishes. And I'm going to put that right there. And there is our first card for today. So for our second card, we're going to start with Garden Green. And this little strip of paper is in the die cuts. You'll just cut it down so that it fits the front of the card base. And we're going to just add a little bit of glue. I do like the liquid glue for this projects, all of these projects, because it does allow you to kind of wiggle that into place. We're going to put that right there. And then I've got these cute little gifts die cuts. I've got that popped up with some dimensionals. I'm going to put it right there in the center of the page. And then I have a little sentiment that says Happy Christmas. I'm going to put it right there. And we have our second card. So very simple cards. This is really your no-nonsense card making. All right. And our third card, we're using Very Vanilla for our card base, Garden Green for our card layer, or our first layer. We're just going to layer that on there. And then this is a little card layer that you punch out of your A Little Bit Festive cards. So you don't even have to cut that. It just comes just like this. I'm going to put that in place. And don't you just love the little gold foil accents? It really gives it a little bit of shimmer. And we've got this greeting that says Sending Cheer. So we're just going to put that right there at the top. And our card is complete. And for our final card, we have a Very Vanilla card base. And then this is that designer series paper that we've used. You're going to cut that down to 4 by 5 1/4. And again, you've got more than enough to make the cards. You're going to have some left over even. I only have maybe 2 or 3 card kits left as of the time that I'm putting this video together. So if it's not showing up, if the link isn't showing up in the descriptions, and they have already sold out. I'm going to add these little ornaments right here. And then I have our final gold die cut. So again, I'm going to bring in my silicone mat. I believe I showed you this on day 2, but I'm using a little sponge dauber. I'm going to get a little bit of glue on there, and I'm just going to tap that on that die cut. And that will help that stick down nicely. It allows you to get all those ends on there. Pick that up. And we're just going to put that right across there. All right. And there is that final card. So again, I've demonstrated 20 cards for you over the course of this whole week. And let me just show you once again what you can expect to receive if you do order one of the card kits. So you're going to get the A Little Bit Festive card pack. So there's 3 sheets of designer series paper in there and 3 sheets of die cuts. And then this is one of my packaged kits. So let me take everything out so you can see what's in there. I do try to pack these very nicely for you. So you have a sheet of dimensionals. You have all of your envelopes that you're going to need. Your card, your pre-cut layers are here. There's just more of those. Okay, so all the base layers that you're going to need. A half pack of the joyful sayings. So that's all the greetings that I've shown you. There's the season's greetings that we just used. And all of those are here. And then your pre-cut card bases, which are right here. So all of your cards start for that. And then the gold dipped cards and envelopes. So that is what you can expect to receive in a card kit. Those are going to ship out on Monday, November 18th. Once they are gone, they are gone. I won't be making any more. But if you would like the tutorial, be sure to subscribe to my email newsletter. I will be sending out that tutorial the week of the 18th to all of my newsletter subscribers. So that is just an early Christmas gift from me to you. And thank you all so much for sticking with me this week. Be sure to subscribe before you leave, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.